Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. This week we are doing a sidewalk, about 80 feet of it, kind of curvy. Don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. We'll see you then, guys. Have a great day. All right, guys, there it is. Sidewalk came out really nice. We had to kind of figure it out because whoever did this last didn't do the same width the whole way, so there's like a couple little gaps here and there, but we did 39 inches, and then here we're like at 40 inches, and then 42, and then over there to the width that was before. Should come out really nice. We're gonna have to wheelbarrow half of it. The power boy, you can make it to like there. Little bit of wheelbarrowing, ain't gonna kill nobody. And then tomorrow's weather's good, Saturday's weather's good, Sunday we're getting like snow or something, but I already got my blankets ready, and hopefully it isn't too bad. But see you tomorrow at the pour, guys. Bye-bye. Nomás lleves esa, Miguel. Yo me pongo acá. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning. We poured about a 4 slump, kind of dry. We wheelbarrowed the majority of it and then finished with the buggy here. Now, I didn't want to squeeze in through here and pop a form since they're all bended forms and use the power buggy. So a little bit of wheelbarrowing was done because, you know, it's not that bad. No one's gonna die from a little bit of wheelbarrowing. But it came out really well. We pressure washed the customer's driveway. Everything's tidy. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and caulk this little area they wanted to caulk. Maybe pop the forms off. We're gonna get bad weather in about 2 to 3 days, but this will cure for a few days before we get to cover it so that no blanket marks. But thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Next week we're doing a small patio behind a repeat customer's house. But we'll see you then, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.